Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shaniece Tee. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a liquid eyeliner with two different products. I'll be using the felt tip liquid eyeliner and with a runny liquid eyeliner. First, I would like to tell you the products you shouldn't be using would be pencil eyeliners. It doesn't give a sharp type of finish, which is what I'm always going for. So a pencil and gel. Gel is a horrible product to use because I feel like it's harder to control and it's easier to smudge. I don't think it's a really good product to use. Gel and pencil. I'm here to show you the easiest methods to get the best results. So for the beginners, this is your first time trying to do it, I would strongly recommend the felt tip liquid eyeliner. The one I have today is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic. I'll probably have a picture at the side of the video. This is my favorite felt tip liquid eyeliner. As you can see, it has this felt tip end. And my personal favorite liquid eyeliner is also NYX again. NYX Epic Wear Liquid Eyeliner. It has a small brush at the end. So these are the two liquid liners I'm going to use today. But for beginners, I would absolutely recommend the felt tip because it gives you the most control out of everything that you could use. So to start off, what not to do is when you're drawing your liquid eyeliner, do not lift your eyelids or look down or look up while doing it. I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend you have a mirror straight in front of you and you're looking straight ahead. If you lift up your eyebrow or your eye skin, when you let go, it will... My favorite shape of liquid eyeliner is when it's straight. When I'm drawing, I draw with my skin exactly how it is when my face is relaxed. Another tip is when you're drawing your liquid eyeliner, for more consistent type of shape, it's better to follow your bottom lash line. So my lash line goes up in this angle. So that's the angle I'm going to follow. I'm just going to continue the line from the bottom lash line and I'm just going to keep following it up. That line is continued from my bottom lash line. And now, this is when I stretch it to sharpen the line. I'm gonna just stretch the skin a little bit. With your face still relaxed and you're looking straight ahead, you're gonna start from the end and you're gonna bring the line towards your eye. You don't have to do a long stroke. You can draw little mini strokes to start off. Mini strokes to make sure you're going in the right direction. So that's me drawing the outline. Now I can stretch it and sharpen the line. Now I have my perfect outline. That's when you fill in the gap. You could do the wing like this and leave it. But for a more seamless look, you can start drawing above your lash line. Just so it's not such a harsh beginning for your wing liner. So you can draw the line just to make it look like one big eyeliner. I pull it just to give it a sharper line. I am not a big fan of going all the way from the beginning to the end. I'm not a big fan of that because my eyelashes is going to cover that area anyway. But for a sharp eyeliner, I like to start from the first third of my eye and then bring the line all the way out. And you can make little strokes to sharpen the eyeliner a bit more, and you can leave it like that. When you make a mistake, what you can do is use concealer to sharpen the eyeliner as well. Say I think that I can make the bottom of the eyeliner or the top of the eyeliner sharper. What you can use is a little bit of concealer, a sharp flat brush, and you can clean up the line. So right now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze to sharpen up the bottom of the eyeliner. I'm going to use the same flat brush I use to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take a little bit on the edge. I stretch it to get a cleaner line, and I don't make lines, I make little taps to cover up whatever is causing my eyeliner not to be as perfect as I want it to be. And there we go, my eyeliner is perfect from the bottom. The method is exactly the same with this eyeliner, with the more liquid eyeliner, but you have to be really skilled to get it as perfect. That's why I would recommend the felt tip for beginners, but I will show you how I do it with the brush. Like last time, I will continue the line of my bottom lash line up, little strokes. So I've drawn my liquid eyeliner. This is felt tip and this is with the runny liquid eyeliner. For the runny eyeliner, if you've made a mistake, it is 100% better to let it dry down first and then you correct it, because if I were to apply concealer to correct the wing, the eyeliner will get onto my brush and then I'll be spreading the black everywhere. It's better to let it dry down first so you can correct it without any mistakes happening again and again. So I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to show you how I can clean it up. Now that my eyeliner has dried down, I'm going to correct it with concealer. I only pull my skin when... that sounds weird. I only pull my eyelid when I want to sharpen the line, not when I want to draw my eyeliner. Two different situations. So I pull the skin around my eyes and I tap the areas I feel like are errors. And there you go. That's how I do my eyeliner with both a felt tip and a runny liquid eyeliner. I'm going to finish up my eye makeup and I'll do the outro. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I'll also link down the 2 liquid liners that I've used today. I have more tips and tricks on my channel. If you have nothing else to do, please feel free to click on either one of these YouTube videos, because like, why not? My name is Shaniece Tee and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!